Hi y'all. So this is the time when we just arrive at the park. Perfect time to get all our possessions in order while David goes out and get more supplies from Albury Bunnings. It's about an hour drive from where we are parked. Tried to do the bathroom door, but it was too complicated, so I said hello to Lady Catterly. Then the next day we went out on a road trip. Started to work on here. Saw some visitors. And then I installed the mini fan. Voila! After working so hard, I thought I'd treat myself for a pizza.
This is Bar in her new camp chair eating delicious 3-day-old pizza.
We've also got our firefighting gears. Painted more. Work more. Drive more. See the rainbow? Here. And then retired with Lady Catterly.